morning, everyone. This is Dr. B. KOTESWAR, Assistant Professor from Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today, I am going to explain the concepts from Internet of Things. So, today my topic is elements of IoT. First, what is IoT? What is Internet of Things? IoT refers to collective network of connected devices and technology that facilitates communication between devices and cloud as well as between devices themselves. So, in IoT, compulsory there should be two devices. In IoT, compulsory there should be two devices, two or more devices should be there, and there should be internet. So, with the help of internet, these two devices can exchange the data. So, with the help of internet, these two devices can exchange the data, or one device can monitor another device. For example, this is one device, this is another device. So, this is device 1 and device 2. With the help of internet, first device can monitor second device, or first device can control second device, and first device can communicate second device. So, Internet of Things consists of two devices, and internet should be there between these two devices, so that one device can monitor another device, one device can control another device, or one device can communicate with another device. That is possible. That is nothing but IoT. So, IoT refers to collective network of connected devices and technology that facilitates communication between devices and cloud, and also as well as between devices themselves. This is about introduction to IoT. So, IoT connects everyday objects like refrigerators, cars, lights, or machines to the internet so that they can communicate, collect data, and perform tasks automatically. So, one real-time example is that we can control the washing machine which is present at our homes, okay, from a different place. For example, currently I am at office and I can control the washing machine which is present at my home from office. That is possible with my mobile. So, by using my mobile, I can control washing machine at my home. I can control air conditioning, AC system at my home. So, that is possible with the help of IoT. Next, components of IoT. So, IoT components includes sensors. So, this is sensors, okay, gateway, cloud, and mobile app. Okay, these are the IoT components of IoT. So, what happens here? These sensors will collect data from the surrounding environment, and it will transfer data to the cloud with the help of gateway. Sensors will transfer data to the cloud. So, what the cloud will do? Cloud will take data from the sensors with the help of gateway, and it will store the data, it will analyze the data. After analyzing the data, it will transfer data to the mobile app so that end user can receive the data from the cloud. Okay, this is happening actually in IoT. So, in IoT, the components include sensors will be there, gateway will be there, cloud will be there, mobile app will be there. So, what is the process? So, what is the action taken during this IoT is, first IoT devices will collect data. They will collect data, record data. So, it will monitor data. Later, after collecting data, it will analyze the data. It will analyze whatever the data they have collected. After analyzing data, they will give trigger. they will give trigger based on analyzing the data. They will give trigger. If they give trigger, based on the trigger, action will be taken. Based on the trigger, action will be taken. For example, one real-time example I will explain here. For example, we are using IoT to monitor gas leakage in industry. So whenever harmful gases are released in industry, with the help of IoT, we can find out, we can know that harmful gases are released. So what the IoT will do, it will collect data. Later it will analyze the data whether harmful gases are present in the data or not. After analyzing, if they found harmful gases are present in that one, immediately it will send one buzzer or any trigger alert. So based on the trigger alert, the action will be taken. This is the process going on in real-time applications. Coming to the components, first sensors and actuators will be there. Their connectivity should be there between sensors and IoT. Next, IoT cloud, IoT analytics, next user interface. These five are the fundamental components in IoT. Coming to the first component, sensors and actuator. What is sensor? Sensor is a device which detects the physical phenomena. Sensor is a device which detects the physical phenomena. So by using sensor, we can find out what is the temperature range in this surrounding environment. That is possible with the help of sensor. Coming to actuator, actuator is a device which introduces some force or displacement. Actuator is a device which introduces some force or displacement. So these are the fundamental components in IoT. Next, connectivity. So after gathering data from the surrounding environment with the help of sensors, this data should be transferred to the cloud. So these sensors should be transferred data to the IoT cloud with the help of this connectivity. Means with the help of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, Zigbee. These are the connectivity devices are helpful to transfer data from sensors to IoT cloud. So IoT cloud. So this IoT cloud will store the data. Later, this data can be analyzed. After analyzing the data can be transferred to user interface, end user. End user will collect data with the help of mobile app. So I will tell you one simple example in our regular life where we are using IoT, but where the process is going on, this type of process. For example, at my home, I kept one camera, that is one device, and my mobile phone is another device. So two devices, one is my camera which is placed at my home, and another one is my mobile which is with me. So my mobile having mobile data, and the camera which is placed at my home is connected to Wi-Fi. So these two devices are connected to internet. My mobile device is connected to internet, and my camera which is placed at my home is connected to internet. So these two devices are connected with the help of internet, so that I can monitor what is going on at my home now from my office. So presently I am at my office. From here I can monitor what is going on at my home. That is possible with the help of IoT. So I can make a communication with my family members with the help of this IoT, because I can communicate with my family members with the help of that camera. I can make a communication. That is also possible. And also I can monitor what is going on over there. And also I can control my camera. I can rotate my camera from this place. Presently, if I am at office, I can control my camera which is placed at my home. So one device can control, monitor and communicate with another device with the help of internet. So if we want to communicate with two devices, both devices should consist of internet. So coming to these elements, sensors and actuators will be there, connectivity will be there, cloud will be there, IoT analytics and data management should be there, user interface will be there. We will discuss one by one now. Sensors and actuators. So sensor is a device which detects the physical phenomena. Actuator is a device which introduces some force or displacement. To capture any physical entity, we need to use sensors. Okay, and sensors capture the physical input. Already I told. Actuators gives the physical output. Actuators are used to give real-time response. So here I have mentioned different types of sensor available in IoT. So temperature sensor is there. Temperature sensor is there. By using this sensor, we can find out what is the temperature ranges at that surrounding places. Okay, next pressure sensor will be there. Theft sensor will be there. Level sensor. This one used for to detect the water level at our tank which is at our homes. Proximity sensor will be there. Vibration sensor will be there. It is used in cars to detect the accidents, and infrared sensors will be there. Gas sensor will be there, which is helpful in industry. Security sensor will be there. Humidity sensor will be there. These are the sensors we are using in IoT. Okay. Next, connectivity. So coming to the connectivity, after collecting data from the surrounding environment by using the sensors, okay, next what we are doing, the data should be transferred to the cloud with the help of connectivity. So basically we need to interface the sensors and actuators with IoT system. To interface that, you need to have connectivity. So that connectivity can be wired or wireless. Connectivity may be wired, sometimes it may be wired, sometimes it may be wireless. Most of the cases we are using only wireless. So it connects sensors and actuators to IoT cloud. So top 7 IoT connectivity devices are, everyone knows Wi-Fi is the one of the connectivity device, connectivity technology. Bluetooth is another one, cellular and Zigbee and Z-Wave and LoRaWAN, Ethernet, satellite. These are the connectivity technologies we are using in IoT. Okay, these are the connectivity technologies. IoT cloud. IoT cloud. What is cloud? First, we have to know what is cloud. Simply, we can say that cloud is a data center. Cloud is nothing but a data center. What is a data center? A data center is nothing but, it consists of number of servers, computer systems, hard disks are available at one place. Okay, at one place, lakhs of servers and hard disks are available. That is nothing but data center. That is nothing but cloud. So cloud is nothing but data center which can provide servers, storage and network on rental basis. Cloud, what cloud can provide to us or IoT is, cloud can give servers on rental basis for us. Cloud can give storage on rental basis for us or IoT. Cloud can provide network to the IoT devices. Okay. Simple example I will tell you about the cloud. Whether we are using cloud or not, we have a doubt that how we can use the cloud. So for everyone using cloud. For example, if we are using a Gmail, so if you want to save any file, any photos or videos, anything, we are keeping in our Gmail. Okay, so whatever the data we are keeping in Gmail, that will be stored in the data center. That will be stored in the data center. That is not stored at our hard disk. That is not stored at our desktop. Whatever the data we are keeping in our Gmail, okay, that data will be saved in the data center. So IoT cloud, it stores and process collected data. So in IoT cloud, we will be storing data and will be processing on those data. Based on process, will be giving response. So we are storing data in the cloud. Whenever we need the data, we are retrieving the data from the cloud. Roles of IoT cloud. Data needs to be processed. Here data can be processed to make or break a deal based on the processed data. So based on the data, whatever the data we are storing in cloud, okay, based on the data we are doing some real-time applications. So to make or break a deal, IoT cloud is the brain of the IoT ecosystem. IoT cloud is optional, and edge computing. These are the roles of cloud. Simply, cloud can provide servers, storage, and network to the IoT. That is the concept of cloud. So, cloud computing, coming to the cloud, some deployment models are there, service models are there. Deployment models includes public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud. Coming to the service cloud model includes infrastructure, IaaS, infrastructure as a cloud, platform as a service, software as a service, infrastructure as a service. These are the three service models cloud can provide. Okay. So, coming to the deployment model, we have public cloud. So, example for public cloud is general RTC bus. Okay, RTC bus is the example for public cloud. Next, own car, whatever the car we are using, that is example for private car. So, if you take example for bus, TSRTC bus, anyone can use that bus. Anyone can use that bus. Like that. So, whatever the data is available in the cloud, any human being can utilize the data. So, that type of storage, cloud is nothing but public cloud. For example, in YouTube, if you want to watch any movie in YouTube, that is nothing but public cloud. So, coming to the private cloud, example for private cloud is, so some private organizations and software companies, they will keep their data in the cloud. That should be very, very secure. So, in order to provide security to that data, the cloud management team will give passwords and ID passwords to those companies, so that only with the help of passwords only we can access that data. So, that is about private cloud. So, private companies, they are keeping data in the cloud, which is accessible by only that private companies only, not by the everyone in the world. Okay, general public, they can't use that data because they don't have access to get that data. They don't have access. Coming to the hybrid cloud, it is accessible to both public and private. Okay, both public and private. For example, taxi. Okay, the person, if you want to pay money, we can use taxi, but if you want to pay money, we cannot use the car which is owned by other persons. So, okay, so this bus is public. Like that, we have three different types of cloud. This is also one of the element in IoT components. Next, IoT analytics and data management. Data structuring for application. Here we perform data structuring for a given application. Data extraction we will do here. Data clarification we will do here. So, first sensor will collect data and it will transmit to the cloud with the help of connectivity devices. After storing data in the cloud, the data should be extracted from the cloud, and it will do some analysis on that data. Okay, that process is going on in IoT analytics. Okay, next, user interface, monitor application, user interaction with system. So, this is the final step in IoT components. So, in IoT, we are using IoT gateway. So, in between IoT devices and data systems, nothing but cloud and IoT devices. In order to make a connection between this cloud and IoT devices, IoT gateway should be there. The IoT gateway consists of Bluetooth, Zigbee, LTE-M, and etc. So, by using this IoT gateway, we can connect IoT devices with the cloud. That is possible. This is about IoT gateways. So, we are using Bluetooth, Zigbee, like etc. IoT gateway. The IoT gateways provide interconnection of edge devices to the IoT cloud. Here we are having edge devices and IoT gateways that will provide smooth interconnection of these devices. Roles of gateway: ensure seamless communication, easy management of data traffic, offers security, data processing, minimizing the larger data. These are the roles of gateway. So, IoT communication protocols which we are using in IoT gateway are: one is Wi-Fi, everyone knows, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Z-Wave, cellular, NFC, LoRaWAN. These are the IoT communication protocols we are using. Okay, to transfer data from sensors, end devices, sensors to IoT cloud. IoT protocols, roles of protocols. It plays a crucial role in connecting sensors and actuators with IoT system. Based on medium and range, various protocols are available. Example, less than 300 feet, Bluetooth, Zigbee, NFC, Wi-Fi are used. Less than 5 kilometers, cellular communications like 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G using. Greater than 100 kilometers, Sigfox, NB IoT, LoRaWAN we are using. So this is about IoT protocols. So finally, today we have discussed about elements of IoT, which includes sensors, actuators, connectivity devices, IoT cloud, and end user mobile app. This is about the session today. So thank you everyone.